Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're talking about the benefits of using a breast pump and why many breastfeeding families find it helpful. A breast pump allows breast milk to be expressed and stored for later use. This can provide greater flexibility, especially for parents who need to be away from their baby for work, school, or other responsibilities. Another benefit is convenience. Having stored milk available can make feeding times more manageable and allow other caregivers to help with feeding when needed. Breast pumps are also available in different types, including manual and electric options, so families can choose what best fits their lifestyle and preferences. Many parents appreciate the freedom and flexibility that pumping can provide while continuing their breastfeeding journey. Remember, every family's experience is different, and the best feeding approach is the one that works for you and your baby.